Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, Chhaya. How are you?
Good evening. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. Thank you for asking. Tell me about your day. How has it been?
It's been going good. How was your
Going
day?
well, you should
Yes,
say.
it's going well.
That's great. And my day, it has been a bit hectic today. I had a lot of work. I had back to back sessions today. So,
Yes,
all in all, it is good, but yeah, a bit hectic so far.
yes,
All right, Chaya, I believe this is our first session together.
yes,
Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Deepika and I'm from Delhi. I'm a communication and ESL trainer with over 6 years of experience. I have
yes.
been training my learners and helping them with their pronunciation, their vocabulary, grammar, fluency, presentation, voice modulation, basically anything that is related to your overall communication skills. So that's about me.
Okay. Great to know you.
Thank you so much. Now, I have some of your details here that you are a yoga teacher and you are from Maharashtra. Is that
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. Where in Maharashtra exactly?
I'm from Pune.
Okay. I have heard about the city. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. But nowadays, little bit it is little bit crowded.
Okay. Maybe many people are migrating to the city.
Yeah.
All right, Chaya, could you please confirm if you had a look at your notes?
Yes, I had seen that.
Okay. And are you comfortable with the topic?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
All right. That's wonderful, Chaya. Let's start our session. Okay, before we do that, I just wanted to tell me one thing that you loved about today. Anything that happened.
Could you repeat?
Anything that happened today and you loved it.
Today. No, I eat just everyday like today. I
Hmm.
just went out for my work and came. So nothing is happen like excited things. Like
Okay,
every day.
I understand that. That's all right. Now tell me, Chaya, do you want to settle outside India?
No, I don't want to settle down outside India because I love to live in Maharashtra.
Okay. Tell me, what is that one thing that separates India from the rest of the world?
I think because of culture, Maharashtra, Indian cultures a little bit different about other uh, uh, compared to other city. So
Not the city, the rest of the world.
yes, rest of the world. Yes, and in India also there are. mm India is surrounded by beaches, uh, forest, and temples. There
But
are
there are
many.
forests, beaches, and temples in other countries too.
Yes, there are, but I don't know. In India, it is little bit different, but there are in other city.
We're
It
not
is
talk- We are talking about countries here.
yeah country. In as compared to other countries, India
Hmm.
surrounded by historical culture. Uh, there are many festivals celebrated over here, and uh, mm, many traveling places situated in India, and it's interested place. It is a interested places. People love to visit that.
Interesting places.
Yeah,
It has
interesting places.
interesting places, or you can say mysterious places.
Yeah, mysterious places, and people. love to visit that places. I
Those
also
places. Okay, so what we can say here, Chaya, is that India has diversity
India has
that
diversity.
other
Yes.
countries do not have. They do not
Do not-
have diversity.
Yeah.
Right. India is a diverse country, and that
Yes.
is that one main thing that separates India from the rest of the world.
Yes.
Right. Like you
Yes. Yes.
mentioned, cultures. So we can say that diversity is there in India.
Diversity is there. Okay.
Tell me, according to you, which is the best country to settle in at present?
By my opinion,
In my opinion,
in my opinion, actually, when I was child, I love to go abroad. So at that
I
time,
loved the idea of going abroad. Or
yes, I
did you actually go abroad when you were young?
no,
Okay, so you loved the idea of going
yes, I
abroad,
love the
right?
idea. The city, uh, love to live in India.
Again, not the city, Chaya. It's
I
the
love
country, the
to
nation.
this country, India.
Okay?
Yes,
All right. So you believe that India is the best country at the moment to settle in?
I believe that because I travel many places, so
I
like
traveled
I
to many places.
I traveled to many places and I really like that places, so that's why I'm saying that I love to live in India.
Okay. Tell me the best place that you have visited in India.
So first I visited Goa.
Hmm.
I personally I like that city because of their culture over there, greenery, lot of beaches. So I like that view and I enjoyed that city at that time. So that's why uh, I mean it has been
It
whole
has
day.
been
It has been 4 years I have
since I went to Goa.
since I went to Goa. And road over there was really good. I liked that so much.
Pardon, the roads?
Roads over there are really good.
Okay. All right. They are clean.
Yes, clean at that time when I was going there. But right now I don't know about that.
So when I went there, we should not say I was going there. So you can say
I,
when I went there, the roads were clean and wide. There was
yes,
no traffic on the roads.
yeah, no,
Everybody could go out at any time and they wouldn't be stuck in traffic.
yes.
Okay,
It
that's
was
how we
a
can
great
structure it.
experience for me.
Yes.
And what about you? Which country do you like?
I do believe that Dubai is the best country for me. I have been to Dubai once,
Yeah,
and there is no noise. So when you need to cross the road, no vehicle would just horn it there loudly. It doesn't happen there.
yeah.
Okay, it is one of the cleanest countries that we have.
That India don't have
India doesn't
that
have.
doesn't have that cleanliness. People
Yes.
don't care about that cleanliness. They throw anywhere garbage and all. So I that thing I don't like in India basically.
Yeah, same here. Same here. The air is clean and fresh. You can
Yeah.
breathe in fresh air. There is greenery around you. Beaches are there. Everything is at a
everything.
at a
Yes.
distance that you
Yeah.
can move easily, right? To and
Yes.
fro.
Many. I have heard many people say like this when they went to outside of our country. They said there is means cleanliness over there is really good, but in India it is uh, diverse culture, but people don't uh, people don't take it cleanliness and all.
Yeah, but if you go to Chandigarh in India, if you
Uh,
go to Chandigarh, you would love it there. I just love Chandigarh.
acha, I
Yeah.
don't visit that.
So
I
there
don't
is
visit.
no traffic in Chandigarh. The laws
Yes,
are strict there and everybody follows the traffic rules. So you wouldn't get stuck in traffic there, no matter what time you go out or what time you come back. Okay. It
yeah.
is one of the cleanest cities. It is there is greenery all around you wherever you go. The markets are nearby, everything is nearby you. So
How
it's
many
lovely. It's amazing.
country to travel?
Pardon?
How many countries did you travel?
I have been to Dubai and Singapore. And what about
Okay,
you?
no, I didn't travel any country.
So you can say I haven't been to any other country yet, but you might get some chance, right?
Yeah.
No, we do not know, right?
Yes.
All right. Is there any country that you would like to visit?
Yes, I like to visit that Indonesia.
Hmm. Any
At
particular
Krabi,
reason?
Krabi Beach. I have seen that in movies. So since that I like that place. So that's why. And there is also
Also,
swing over
there's
there.
also
Swing. Do you know swing over there?
swing.
Yes. So I have seen in movies. So I am curious to know that how exactly it is.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
I do hope that you get to be there soon. Tell me, Chaya, if you could say one thing that NRIs miss about India, what would it be and why?
NRI means what?
NRI, the non residents of India who live outside, but they are basically Indians, but they live outside India. They
Yes,
settle
yes,
in some other country
yes.
abroad.
Yes. Yes. I have seen many people like that. They are living right now in abroad. So mm, I I think they are habitual about that culture and they like
Habitual
that
of.
cultures. Habitual of, yes. Uh, I think if when they are live in others city, they automatically
Again,
like that.
not
Sorry.
city.
Yes, yes. Other country, they automatically like that country because environment over there are really clean and no uh, no traffic and all, no crowded area over there. Yes, because of that they loved that.
So they would miss